You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of these delicious, quite, smelly French cheese from Burgundy? Let's break down how it's said in France first, and then how you can say it easily in English. Epoisse. Epoisse is how it's said in French. Now, in English, you can easily say it as, if you want to learn more food names from France and cheese names, definitely stay tuned, loads of video for you. Epoisse, Epoisse, you could say. So you could spell it E-P-W-A-S, Epoisse. Or in French again, Epoisse, delicious cheese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.